Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can make sugar-free, keto-friendly whipped cream at home within a couple of minutes. For that you need an electric whisk, a big bowl, and 300 ml heavy whipped cream. So before you buy whipped cream, you need to check the label and find out the fat content. The higher fat content turns into better results. Now all you need to do, beat the cream until it turns into a cream. This cream will be super stable. You can even decorate cakes, any kind of pastry. You can put on top of latte, cappuccino, or anything. Like, have you ever tried fresh cream on top of tea? No, it tastes super delicious. Just try it. But if you don't want to try the unsweetened one, just try to put some sugar, or if you're doing keto diet, then put some sweetener, sugar-free sweetener. It will be super delicious, mind-blowing. Just try it. And if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and let me know how you made your cream. And thank you so much for watching my video. Look at that, it's super stable, it's not moving from the whisk. So at that point you have to stop beating, never beat them over. If you overbeat them, the cream will turn into a butter, and obviously we don't want them. So that's how I make the whipped cream. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope to see you all very soon with new recipe, with new videos. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.